Hello. Gerald Claudio here. Sa video na 'to, ang pag-uusapan natin, kailangan ba talaga or SOP na talaga na kailangan pilitin mo yung pamilya mo or family members or friends or close people that within your surroundings or within your community or within your circle na sila talaga dapat yung talagang kailangan mag-join sa network marketing business mo. Yan ang pag-uusapan natin sa video na 'to. Okay, so bakit ko sinasabi 'to? Because I think everybody could relate into this. Specifically ako, nakaka-relate ako dito. When I started my network marketing business, and still right now, I'm still doing it, but there's a little bit of difference. Papaliwanag ko sa inyo mamaya. The first people na sasabihin sa'yo na reach out mo talaga is yung pamilya mo. Family mo, friends, relatives, classmates, whoever, workmate, and everybody. And there is a good reason why. Yet, bigyan ko kayo ng another perspective para mapag-isipan nyo after ng video na to para, alam mo yun, your strategies might improve, your strategies might change, but this is how I personally would see it. Okay, now, bakit? Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na trust factor. People will join you or buy from you because they trust you. So, ibig sabihin, kahit 100,000 kayong distributor in your same company, but this person trusts you more than the rest of the 99,999, this person will decide to buy from you or join you because of my trust level. Right? Nakuha? So, it's all because of the trust factor. That's number one. Number two reason is we don't know if your friends or your relatives or the people around you are also open or looking for opportunity like you. Hindi natin pwedeng i-discount yung idea na possible, tulad mo right now, nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin, may gusto kang baguhin sa takbo ng buhay mo, gusto mo mabago yung finances mo, gusto mo mabago, I don't know, ano gusto mo mabago, mag-improve, and nakita mo yung network marketing opportunity mo, nakita mo siyang pag-asa, alam mo yun, like, you see this as one of the hope that ito yung pwedeng magbigay sa akin ng avenue na maganda yung finances ko. Hindi natin alam eh. Yun yung tricky part ng pagbe-build ng business eh. Hindi natin alam kung sino yung interesado within the circle na meron ka. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, that's second. So, you give them an opportunity na makita yung opportunity mo. Martin Castellano Consul, magandang gabi po. Kamusta po kayo? On the other hand, type nyo relate kung makaka-relate kayo dito sa sabihin ko next. On the other hand, meron ba kayong feels madalas na yung push lang palagi is yung warm market or yung mga closest sa hot market, and meron kang hesitation na mag-reach out? Hindi dahil sa hindi ka naniniwala sa opportunity mo. It's just that merong relationship factor doon na parang ayokong i-reach out 'tong mga taong 'to. May mga ganun ba kayong feels? Type nyo relate sa my comment kung may relate kung ganun yung feels mo. Now, you have to understand, if ang strategy lang ng network marketing mo is puro lang talaga cold hot market and walang factor ng cold market on how you're gonna reach out to people, that's actually a 40 to 50-year-old strategy. Bakit 40 to 50-year-old strategy yon? Kasi, ang ibig kong sabihin 40 to 50-year-old strategy, kasi wala namang social media 50 years ago, 40 years ago. Social media just blew up when internet was started in the late 90s and early 2000. Late 90s and early 2000. So, ibig sabihin, kung magna-network marketing ako 30 to 40 to 50 years ago, the only people or close proximity ko ay mga taong talaga nasa paligid ko. Tama ba? Yet, it's kind of like a little bit difficult that time to really reach out to cold market. Either kaya, di ba, may mga, I don't know, kung may natuturo sa inyo na, pumunta ka sa coffee shop, tapos makapag-usap ka sa coffee shop. O, punta ka sa mga bookstore, makapag-usap ka sa bookstore. I don't know, nakaka-relate ba kayong ganun? Guys, dati ginawa ko yun. It's just that I realized, I don't say that those things doesn't work. Those things work. It's just that personally sa akin, as introvert po kasi ako, okay? Introvert ako, it's really awkward for me to do that. It's really outside of me. Nakuha niyo ba? Until I realize that there are strategies and tactics and ways to really recruit and build people in my organization without even reaching out or forcing my cold or my warm or hot market na mag-join sila. When I decided to start that, even right now, I'm starting to develop, kwento ko sa inyo, I realized that the game or yung pagpo-prospect or yung pagma-market ng business mo as network marketer is so much more efficient right now than before. And I have a good news for you. If may hesitation ka, I'll tell you one thing na na-realize ko, hindi mo kailangang puwersahin o magmakaawa o kulitin ng paulit-ulit yung mga kakilala mo para lang makapag-build ka ng network marketing business mo. Reach out them once, reach out them twice, but forcing them to join you or para kasi wala na akong market tapos sabihan ng apply mo sa'yo, sige balikan mo lahat ng mga kakilala mo, mga ito, na yung mga na-presenta mo 6 months ago, a year ago, kaya lang hindi, nag-no na nga di ba? And some point talagang most of them are negative. Nasi-stress ka ngayon. 'Di ba? Kasi paano ako makaka-move nito sa business ko wala na akong prospect, 'di ba? Right? Alam niyo ba, na-realize ko when I started it, it blew my mind. When I started, I started to recruit more than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 50 people, nearly 100 people na hindi ko kilala. Grabe, no? So, and that's the power of branding, social media. Even right now, I'm starting to formulate better strategy for my business. And most of you, no, marami sa inyo nagtatanong kung paano and how these things, no, even some of you are part of the course, the Pinoy Network Marketer Success Blueprint. And doon ko tinuro yung offer. Like most of you, some of you nagfe-Facebook ads ka. Pero yung ads mo hindi ka nakakuha ng quality prospect, gumagastos ka lang. Lahat yung kinidiscuss ko sa Pinoy Network Marketer Success Blueprint. Pero gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, I hope this will be a comfort for you. Okay? Possible kasi baka walang may nagsabi sa iyo nito. Alam mo ba na pwede kang mag-build ng network marketing business na hindi mo ina-approach o hindi mo kinukulit yung mga warm market or hot market mo? Yung mga kakilala mo. Specifically, if medyo, alam mo, ayaw mo mag-create ng friction or awkwardness sa relationship ninyo. Nakuha nyo ba? Tama ba? Nakuha nyo ba yon? Is that something that's comforting for you? In the digital era, in an era where everybody is in social media and everybody is looking at the internet, and there are actually people who are looking for opportunity. Hindi ito yung mga tao na pipilitin mo para tapos pupwersahin mo tapos oras, alam mo, 5 oras mong kakausapin, tapos papa-mindset mo lang, tapos ending ayaw, negative din pala. Di ba parang nakaka-burnout yung ganun, di ba? Pero what if, kaya mong ma-reach out yung mga taong na naghahanap na ng opportunity na gusto mo? I believe network marketing would be an amazing business to build with. Most of you are thinking right now, Jared, bakit ganun? Nandito pa ako sa level ng business ko na parang, bakit hindi ko ma-reach yung reach ng mga uplines or mentors ko? Alam mo, nakapag-isip ako nun Diba? Parang, hindi ko na maintindihan, ano ba talaga ang kulang? Sino nakaka-relate doon? Yung parang titingnan mo yung mga uplines, mentors. And syempre, pag nagpa-coach ka ngayon, sasabihin sa'yo, you're not doing enough. Parang, mentor, grabe. 12 oras na ako, 16 hours na nga ako dito sa online. Halos, alam mo yun, I've been doing what I need to do. Tapos, something sa hindi kasi effective ang online. Mag-face-to-face ka ngayon. Ngayon, mag-face-to-face ka naman. Paano kung hanap ng prospect na face-to-face? Mag-i-invite ka, mag-prospect ka, tapos yung prospect ko, hindi mo, alam mo yun, all these things, nakaka-credit ba kayo gano'n? Like, paano ko ngayon gagawin to, di ba? Right? How am I going to do this? Hindi, mag-face-to-face kayo. Kailangan face-to-face. Again, there's nothing wrong with it. I'm not saying these things are bad to do. Okay? Tama yun. May effective yun kasi nag-work yun di ba? Pero kasi like, for example, some people would say, hindi kailangan dali mo sa office. Paano naman, buti sana ko yung network marketing company mo, may mga decent na office to every region. What if kung may enroll ka outside na walang office, ang gagawin mo dun? Tama? Right? Di mag-build ka within the office. O tama naman yun, mga ganun strategy. Pero is there a way to really build this business online, digital, nasa bahay ka, and continuously, hindi ka nagkakaroon ng friction sa mga prospect mo or hindi mo pinipilit ang mga negative o yung ayaw? Tama ba? And I'll tell you one thing, in my personal experience, pupwede siya. Very, very possible siya. Very, very possible siya. Okay? So, yun lang yung gusto kong comfort sa inyo. May paraan yun. May way yun. Okay? So, and okay. Ngayon, kung first time ka sa network marketing and your upline says, unahin mo yung mga warm market mo or hot market mo, naniniwala ko doon, unahin mo talaga yung mga taong may trust factor. Now, you can join few of them. You can have them buy your products. But wag kang aasa na itong mga tao nakakilala mo yung magpapayaman sa'yo. Hindi. Kasi guys, maniwala ka sa akin, no? If baka hindi mo to alam. Kasi possible minarket yung network marketing opportunity mo. Kasi may mga nagma-market dito, hindi ko maintindihan kung paano yung na-market. Meron isa na sinabi niya na hindi mo kailangan mag-recruit pag nag-join ka sa amin, kikita ka. Kasi ako magsi-spill over sa'yo. Okay? May mga ganong style. Alright, pakinggan nyo ako ng mabuti. Kung ganun yung pasok mo sa network marketing mo, kumikita ka ngayon, wala kang ginagawa. Ito lang sabihin ko ito lang sabihin ko. I don't know how long will it last. Hindi sa negative ako sa part na yun, no? I don't know how long will it last, pero ito lang sabihin ko sa'yo. Kung ang income mo ay dependent sa upline mo, maniwala ka sa akin, what if mawala upline mo, wala income mo sa network marketing mo? Tapos at the end of the day, pag nawala yung upline mo, nawala yung income mo, sisisihin mo yung buong opportunity kasi hindi mo naintindihan that it is all about taking personal responsibility for your business. Okay, ngayon, kasi may iba sinasabi nila kasi kami, Gerard, matrix kasi yung namin compensation naman lang namin Hindi kami binary, hindi kami unilevel, mga ganun. Guys, walang siraan ng compensation plan, okay? Kung matrix ka, just sell it in that way, 'di ba? And then stop comparing it to other, I don't know, companies, whatever. Pero ito lang yung sasabihin ko sa iyo. Kung feeling mo right now nasa best opportunity ka kasi wala kang ginagawa pero kumikita ka. Okay? Pakinggan mo ako mabuti. Ngayon pa lang, aralin mo na kung paano because it won't last forever. Because no success will be so solid na ikaw as an entrepreneur, ikaw as business owner, hindi mo alam kung paano patakbuhin. Unless iba ang pagkakaintindi mo sa network marketing. Nakuha? Right? I hope you're learning. Type your learning sa my comments dito sa may learning. Ibig sabihin, you need to learn the skills, the strategy, the tactics, and how you're gonna build your business. Kasi guys, maniwala ka sa akin, network marketing is an amazing opportunity. Okay? If puro lang, kung nababambard kayo ng negativity sa mga content sa labas, pakinggan nyo ako mabuti. Network marketing is an amazing opportunity basta gawin siya ng tama. Basta wag mong i-oversell yung product, wag mo i-oversell yung opportunity, wag mo sabihing madali. I'm not saying na hindi mo sabihin na efficient siya or kayang mapabilis yung pangarap niya, pero yung sasabihin mo wala kang gagawin, ako maniwala ka sa akin. Matitenga ka. Ito mangyayari sa'yo. Jared, possible ba na yung spill ko is naririnig ko sa mga upline ko, sinasabi nila na ganito, ito yung spill nila, sobrang dali. Kami yung pinakauna, ganito mga kami, whatever, mga ganong mga spill. Pwede yon. Okay? Ngayon, pag sinabi mong walang effort ang tao, pag pumasok sa'yo yan, maniwala ka sa akin, ang mangyayari ngayon dyan is, hindi gagalaw yan at aasa sa'yo yan. Ngayon, ikaw naman, as the upline, umaasa ka na gagalaw to. Paano gagalaw to? Ang spill mo sa kanya, ang promise mo sa kanya, wala siyang gagawin. Literally, hindi gagalaw yan. Maniwala ka sa akin. So, ibig sabihin, instead na naging advantage sa'yo, na itong mga taong to, itong mga taong to, is gagalaw, hindi sila gumalaw, even ayaw nilang ma-umattend ng training, ayaw nilang matutunan yung pinaka-network marketing opportunity mo. At ito yan, kung gagalaw man yan at nahirapan niya, maniwala ka sa akin, ikaw pasisihin yan. Okay? Ngayon ang tanong, gusto mo bang mag-build ng asset o liability? This is real question to you. Nakuha? So gawin ang tamang network marketing because network marketing is a promising business. But I have a good news for you. Hindi mo kailangan sunugin ang hot market mo. Hindi mo kailangan ipag-guilt trip ang hot or warm market mo. If na-approach mo na sila, na komportable ka, again, hindi mo kailangan i-approach yung ayaw mo. Okay? Yung kailangan i-approach yung ayaw mo. Whoever you're comfortable with. Build up your result. Pwede mong balikan. Pero sa mundo ng social media at digital marketing right now or digital era, maniwala kayo sa akin. You can even have teammates na hindi mo kakilala that they build your trust because they see you as a reliable person. How amazing would that be kung matutunan mo yun? Sobrang sarap mag-network marketing, maniwala kayo sa akin. Guys, meron akong isang dito, kapit namin. Within dito sa tinitirahan namin, meron na kaming isang kilala na OFW siya. Makwento ko lang sa inyo, ang advantage ng network marketing. Nag-start siya ng business. Ang nilabas niya sa laundry business niya nasa 1.5 million, 1.3 million pesos. And hindi ko alam kung ilang machines yun. Okay, some of you are knowledgeable about a laundry business. So, tinanong namin siya kung magkano yung profit niya for that. So, nilabas sa 1.3 million, kakastart niya na, wala pa siyang isang taon. Pero ano yung nakakatawa sa lahat? Hindi ito lang nakakatawa. Nakakatawa kasi enjoy siya sa ginagawa niya. Okay? Pero kung profit-wise, nagulat ako kung magkano yung kinikita ng laundry business niya. Ang kinikita ng laundry business niya, malinis na, minus na lahat, kuryente, lahat ng mga babayarin niya and all. Kung hindi ako magkakamali, nasa 5,000 pesos to 8 to 10,000 pesos per month. Ang kinikita ng laundry business niya, na nilabas na 1.5 million to 1.3 million pesos. Nagulat ako actually. Gigising siya ng alas 4 ng umaga, Matutulog siya ng alas 10, alas 11 ng gabi. Meron siyang 2 helper. Pero imagine mo yung hustle niya every single day para lang mabawi yung 1.3 million. Ikaw mag-compute, kung ang profit mo is 1.5 million, tapos 10,000 yung net profit mo, ilang taon mo pa mabawi yun? Wala kang mababawi dun. Tama, parang nilabas mo na lang yung 1.3 parang meron kang laundry business. And sa kanya lahat yung hustle. Nag-start siya another branch, nag-branch out siya, same thing rin na nangyari. So ngayon nasa 15 siguro, nasa 15,000 dalawa. Pero imagine mo magkano, nasa nearly 2 to 3 million pesos. Eh ang network marketing, ayusin mo na yung pagkakagawa ng business. Ayusin na yung tamang perspective about this business. Tamang strategy tactic. Maniwala ka sa akin, sobrang gandang gawin ng network marketing. Natututo ba kayo? Type nyo learning sa may comments. Click nyo yung heart dyan, click nyo yung share, tag nyo yung mga kakilala nyo nagde-network marketing. I wanted to say this because I think people are a little bit confused. Ito mga simple lang naman to. Hindi naman to mahirap intindihin yung mga sinasabi ko. Pero alam mo yun, we have so much tactics and strategy that somehow and some point, pag tiningnan mo siya, parang, oo nga, no? Parang bakit ko kailangang i-stress out ang sarili ko sa mga kakilala kong negative? Eh kung there are so many people out there who are looking for the opportunity that I am offering. I have 2 sign-ups. Kailan mo yun? Na wala akong presentation. They are the ones who approached me. Imagine mo yun, wala akong guys, maniwala ka sa akin, yung mga ginagawa ninyong mga presentation, yung mga 4 hours, lahat ng uri ng presentation na pag-alaanan ko yan. Guys, more than 10 years na ako sa network marketing. More than 10 years na ako sa network marketing, wala ka sa akin. Noong mga time na mahina pa ang internet connection sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? Talagang mano-mano kami, imi-meet up namin, nagpapaskil ako as in grabe talaga pinagagawa ko before, nagpapaskil ako ng mga poster sa buong city namin para lang meron akong kasi nakakatawa talaga yung pinanggagawa ko. I think I've done as much as I want. I've been searching. Pero alam nyo ba isang bagay na, Jerry, baka paano ako tumagal? No? I think isang bagay lang, I keep on searching for answers. I keep for searching for answer. And another thing, nung mga time, most of you may mga challenge ko sa network marketing business ninyo. I hope this story of mine would be an encouragement to you. Nung mga time na nahihirapan ako sa network marketing business ko, nahihirapan ako mag-build. Nag-build ako, nawawala. Nahihirapan ako magbenta ng products. And nagpe-present naman ako pero hindi ako makadami ng presentation. Mga ganung mga struggles no? Nakaka-relate ba kayo doon? Type nyo relate sa my comment. Alam niyo ba guys, iniisip ko nung time na yun, sabi ko, ayoko na ang network marketing story ko would be a failure story. Kasi ikikwento ko tong part ng buhay ko sa ibang tao or even sa mga kaapuhan ko, sa mga ko, na Gerard, anong ginawa mo? O Lolo Gerard, di ba? Lolo G, anong ginawa mo before? Do you think, di ba, parang pangit naman na dahil lang sa hindi ako naging successful sa network marketing, ininega ko ang network marketing. Parang mali, di ba? Right? Rather, I will make this happen. I have seen so many people who changed their life because of this opportunity. I have seen enough stories. I heard enough story. I heard people that they feel like they are not qualified to succeed, but they succeed in this business. I've seen people na parang kung sa ibang industry sila, hindi sila aasenso, pero umasenso sa network marketing. Bakit ko sinasabi sa inyo to? Okay? Because you keep finding for answers. Huwag kang matitenga lang at magnenega, hindi kasi hindi talaga nag-successful yung network marketing business ko. I don't think that's gonna work, okay? So, by the way, mag-start out muna ako dito Welver Rodriguez Nene. Yan. Joan Gayo, Joy Haida. Yan, may tinatag si Jor Haida. Jor Haida, tama ba? Yan. Alan Tuazon, attraction marketing. Okay, pag-usapan natin yung term na yan in a while. Joey Rodriguez. Charito, Rembert Ida, yan. Libner Katapang, watching from UAE. Okay. Now, etong term na attraction marketing, when I first heard this, alam niyo ba guys, talagang parang feeling ko high level of marketing na to. Sa totoo lang, parang, grabe anong attraction marketing. Di ba parang pakinggan mo siya kung first time ka sa business, or sa marketing world, specifically network marketing, parang, what's attraction marketing? May ganung feels ba? In fact, I just realized, it's just not that complicated. It's really not complicated. If you will summarize attraction marketing in one word, there's no magic in attraction marketing. Okay? Di walang magic dyan. Isang word lang, value. If people, over thousands of people that people would listen, bakit sila makikinig sa'yo? Hindi mo kailangan maging magaling, kailangan lang may different kang ino-offer sa kanila. If people learn from you, if people see value in you, I'll tell you, that's an attraction marketing in itself. Nakuha? No? So, ako sa super complicated yung term na sa akin before yan. Eh. Kaya nga meron akong kinausap na isang freelancer na SMM siya, social media manager siya. Kasi siguro, yung mga ino-offeran nga niya, kasi mga from foreigner and all. Pero yung ino-offeran niya kasi ako ng parang, the person was offering me something, like, they would manage my social media and stuff like that. Because I have a little bit of, medyo may konti, marami-rami naman ng konti yung following ko sa Facebook ba. And they were offering me something. And I was like, hindi ko kasi maintindihan yung offer. Parang ang dami yung mga jargons, the mga marketing jargon. But in fact, you would realize it's just simple as that. When you talk about attraction marketing, sabi, I'm gonna teach you about marketing, I'm gonna teach you this and stuff like that. May mga sinasabi siya mga cost per click, mga ganun, di ba? Parang sa ads. And I said, okay. Sabi ko, why not make it simple for me? So in a simple sense, now going back, attraction marketing is simple as one word, value. If you're valuable to people, they will continue to see you, they will continue to trust you. And I'll tell you, it's way easier to build trust in our generation right now than any other generation before. It's cost effective, wala kang babayaran. Just be genuine, just be authentic. Because people could sense fake, people could sense paano masabihin? People could sense pretension. Ano nagpe-pretend ka lang? Diba? They could sense that. Okay, so Alan Tuazon, how about organic marketing? Organic marketing is the same thing. Okay? Dalawa kasi yan, no? Organic at saka paid. Okay? When you say organic, wala kang binabayaran. Ako personally, no, I started organic before I starting paid ads. In fact, the only paid ads that I was doing right now is the course that I'm selling. Pero everything is still organic because ako personally, naniniwala ako sa organic eh. Okay? Bakit ako naniniwala sa organic? I believe in organic marketing and I believe that mas raw kasi. People are looking at you. Now, and I realized when I started to learn ads, sabi ko, okay na pa ng ads, no? People are still watching you. People will still be interested with you. It's just that you paid for it. But if you have enough market, if you have enough following, that people would say, oh, it's really cool. Okay? So, organic is something that I think I would recommend to everybody before you jump in. But again, different tactics, different strategy. Some of you, nagsimula kayo sa ads, pero hindi kayo marunong mag-create na. Notice nyo yun, for example, nag-Facebook ads, nag-Facebook page ka. Nag-start ka mag-ads. Tapos wala kang consistent na content. People will, you will still not build up the trust that you need. You have to understand, people will buy from you because they trust you. Note that one. Pakisulat yun. People will buy from you because they trust you. So, which means, ano yung gagawin mo para pagkatiwalaan ka nila? Ngayon, tanong ko ba, katiwa-tiwala ka ba? Kasi kung katiwa-tiwala ka, people would see that. Nakuha nyo ba? Are you getting my point? Tama? So, it's as simple as that. No? People will follow you. They will continue. And ako, isang bagay, no? I've been a content creator for quite some time. Like, I really started 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 right now. And isang bagay na realize ko, ang mga tao pala, no? Sa dami ng tao sa mundo, even mga Pilipino, hindi madamot yan sa views. Hindi ka pagdadamutan ng views niyan. Hindi ka pagdadamutan ng likes and comments niyan. Totoo. And most of you guys are here. I really, really appreciate you. Diba? Kasi alam niyo yun, nag-heart kayo, nagko-comment kayo, nag-like, pinanonood yung mga content ko. And even marami kayang nag-a-avail ng course ko na hindi man sila nag-like, pero nag-a-avail sila, but I know they are watching me. It's just amazing. So, hindi madamat ang social media when it comes to likes, hearts, and comment. As long as, one word again, like what I've said about attraction marketing, value. If nakita nila na worth it kang panoorin ka ng mga yan. Okay? So, with all that said, kailangan mo lang puwersahin, magbakaawa ka sa mga war market mo, hot market mo, hindi po. Hindi po. Alright? There are many ways to do it. Specifically, social media. Start creating valuable content in social media. Start being visible in social media. Stay consistent in social media, which is, I believe, the most important of all that a lot of people miss. Diba? Most of you knows this, diba? Maraming kakamiss. May mga alam pa kayo, pero bakit hindi nyo nabibuild? Kasi hindi kayo consistent. Tama ba? Right? Ako, straight talk lang guys. I love you guys. No? Mahal ko ang mga network marketers. I'm not saying that. Okay? Rio Morales, magandang gabi. Good evening. Okay? So, yun na naman for me, no? Ano ba, sir, specialty mo pagdating sa network marketing? Ano bang magandang strategy pagdating sa network sa ating panahunan? Anong specialty mo sa pagdating ng network pagdating sa network marketing? Specialty? Prospecting, inviting, marketing, social media, branding, ano ba? Organic marketing, ano pa mga specialty ko? Lahat na nandun sa course ko. Yung lahat yun. So, right now, I'm learning automation, onboarding. Tama? Pag sinabi ko kasi anong magandang strategy, ano ba yung tanong, ano ba yung specifically part, ano ba yung sa tanong mo, I mean, specifically part ng network marketing? Because your network marketing has a lot of aspect. Are you struggling with selling the product or having a customers? Are you struggling with recruiting? Are you struggling with, ang tawag dito? Retention? Are you struggling with closing? Right? So, depende kung saang part ka nahihirapan. Pero kung baguhan ka, most probably, you have a difficulty of finding prospect or closing deals. Diba? So, yes, lahat ng sinabi mo. Yes. So, yes. Okay? So, bawat isa yun, skills kasi yun eh. Kaya you have to understand skills yun. Yung maghahanap ka ng prospect, lead generation ang tawag doon. Okay? Tapos, mag-invite mo sila to see your presentation. So, inviting ang tawag doon. So, depende kung how you're gonna do it. Pwede namang personal, pwede through social media, pwede naman through marketing, 'di ba? Depende kung ano yung tinuturo sa right now. And then, pagkatapos doon, siyempre mape-present ka na. So, dapat kailangan maganda yung way of delivery, 'di ba? So, presentation 'yon. And then, pero kung may way ka naman, like you have automated presentation, like, or meron ka ng funnel, so iba namang style yon, ibang skills din yon, diba? And then closing and follow up, right? So closing and follow up, right? And then meron pang isa doon, how to activate your new teammate, right? How to activate your new teammate. Yan. So ano naman yun? Part yun ng duplication. Okay, so trainings, 'di ba? Kasi guys, you have to understand, ang network marketing, magkaiba po yun sa direct selling. Sa direct selling kasi pwede ka magbenta ng bultuhan na product, direct selling 'yon. Okay? So example, bibili ka ng distribution, 'di ba? May mga ganun sila right now eh. Ako yung para sa lugar na 'to, ako magpaparami ng ganitong product, bibigyan ka nila ng kota kada buwan, tama? So kokotahan ka nila. Direct selling 'yon. Okay naman 'yon. Ang pagkakaiba kasi ng network marketing is building organization. Pag nag-build ka ng organization mo, dumadami ka ng multiply ka. So, meron ding leadership factor yon. So, paano ka dadami? Right? So, yun yung mga factors. Lahat yung skills. Hindi ko po kasi, Rembert Ida, no? Hindi ko po kasi masabi lahat yan dito sa sa isang live, no? Pero kung tatanungin mo ko, lahat po skills yon. Pero kung saan ka magsisimula, simulan mo sa, saan ako hanap ng prospect? Paano ako makikipag-usap sa prospect? If right now you're active in a network marketing company, okay? Ay, by the way, nagsabi ka dito mag-enroll ako sa course ko. Hindi mo kailangan mag-enroll sa course ko kung if you feel like I'm luring you to buy my course. Wag kang bumili ng course. May upline ka, magtanong ka sa upline mo. Okay? Sobrang simple. Anong strategy tuturo ng upline mo sa'yo? Pakinggan mo. 'Di ba? Kung wala kang upline, or wala kang teammate, hanapin mo yung next in line, edi sila yung tanungin mo. 'Di ba parang sorry. Okay. 'Di ba ikaw, ito upline mo, direct sponsor mo, tapos may upline kang isa, tapos may upline. Ngayon, kung hindi active yung upline mo, hanapin mo yung nasa taas. Magpaturo ka sa kanila kung paano nila ginagawa. Nakuha. Alright? So, in such a way, doon ka maghanap ng strategy because I believe there are strategies na tuturo nila sa'yo. Okay. Ngayon, nakita mo yung course ko. Gusto mong matutunan? Avail the course. If not, walang problema. Right? All of these things, no? People often say, Gerard, binibenta mo kami ng course. I mean, I'm creating free content for you. If this is what you wanted to just consume, then consume the free content. Diba? If you want to avail the course is there. It's only 899 guys. One-time payment, lifetime access ka. Maniwala ka sa akin, hindi ko masabi sa inyo kung magkano na yung ina-avail ko sa mga courses. Ay, nako. Maniwala. Siguro nearly how many hundreds and thousands na yung nagastos ko para lang mag-improve ako. Nako, di ba? I'm giving you a very, very cheap price for that. But if you don't want to avail that, wala, hindi mo kailangan mag-avail. Huwag ka mag-alala. May upline ka, hanap ka ng upline mo. Right? Pakinggan mo yung upline mo, di ba? And if you think hindi ka satisfied sa sinasabi ng upline mo, hanap ka ng ibang somewhere in the line, di ba? But if you want something supplementary, the course can help you. Okay? Ako, clear lang tayo doon. And of course, I will offer because that's what I am doing. Social media is one of my strategy because if hindi nyo po nakita yung page ko, yung personal page ko, I have a quite good following. Kasi dito sa nagla-live ako dito, nasa 2,800 followers pa lang yan dito eh. But I have my social media that I grew it to around 753,000 followers. Tama? So I can teach you how to have a social media following of 10,000 in 6 months. Ganyan yung tinuro ko doon eh. Diba? So somehow nakita ko effective naman siya. Right? So if you want to avail it. If not, ask somebody else. If ayaw, tag dito, consume my free content. Don't worry, I'll be having consistent free content dito para sa mga network marketers. Okay? Alright. As lang po lahat naman ginagawa ko training. Inviting, halos lahat sila. Ipon pa daw ng puhunan. Okay, Rio Morales. Right. Ma'am Rio, di ba part ka ng course, di ba? Sagutin ko to ma'am sa loob ng community natin. Okay lang ba? Okay, kasi may sagot yan eh. May sagot yan. Okay, ito parang ito yung part na to. Sa question dito, marami naman siyang ini-invite. Tapos halos ipon pa ng puhunan. Ibig sabihin, may good news doon. Ang good news dito is, hindi na problema ni Ma'am Rio yung inviting. Hindi na problema ni Ma'am Rio yung lead generation kasi marami siyang i-invite. Nakuha nyo? Right? Ngayon, ang next natin na gagawin is, anong gagawin natin to increase more sales and increase more sign-ups. Okay? So, dun yun, ma'am, sa course, meron ako dong closing tactics. Kung hindi ako magkakamali eh. Closing tactics. I-review mo, ma'am, yung closing tactics because this is, you have to understand, the person, pag nagsabi ang person, pag nagsabi yung tao na mag-iipon, ibig sabihin, kung i-percentage mo yung interest ng tao, nasa 60% na siya done. Nakuha? Hindi siya negative. Hindi sa ayaw niya, it's just that puhunan. So, ibig sabihin, ang kailangan niya dito is paano mo siya malilid right now to see that is really something that you can do right now. Nakuha? So, nandun yun, ma'am. Meron ako dyan na handling objection tactics ata yun or closing tactics. Dalawa yun, ma'am eh. Panoorin mo ulit yun, ma'am. Master mo yun. Yun ang kailangan mo i-master. Okay? So, good question yan. Pero, i-discuss ko much yan dun more sa may exclusive community natin. But anyway, ayun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. Diba? Ang ibig kong sabihin, depende kung nasaang skills ang kailangan mong i-develop. Kasi bawat isa yan, skills yan eh. Pero maniwala ka sa akin, hindi siya mahirap. Okay? Yes. Huwag ka mag-alala, ma'am. Meron niyang sagot diyan. Okay? Sagutin natin yan diyan. Kung paano, i-review natin yan. Okay? So, which is maganda yan. Magandang sagot yan, ma'am. Ano ka ba, ma'am? Mas maganda kayang sagot niya kaysa negative. Tama? No? Yung tipo, di ba, gusto ko sana kayo mag-iipon pa ako. Nako, maganda yan. Di ba? So, maraming strategy kung paano mo gagawin yan. Okay? So, mabilis na lang yan. Kumbaga, kung titingnan mo siya, ibig sabihin, dito mo matetest, ma'am, na yung presentation mo, okay siya. Nakuha? Kasi nagustuhan nila eh. Kaya medyo mag-iipon sila. Ibig sabihin, they're telling you that they will take action right after the presentation. Interesting, di ba? Interesting. That they will take action after the presentation, which is really, really good. Okay, so kailangan mo na lang silang what is the advantage or what is the importance of deciding now? So bibigyan mo sila ngayon ng isa-stock up mo ngayon yung mga reasons, good reasons, in a way that when you say it, they would realize, bakit ako ba kailangan mag-decide na naman ako next month, bakit hindi pa ako mag-decide right now? Ako ha? So there are a lot of ways to do it. Okay? Pero I don't have much time for this kasi that's not my topic, no? Ang topic kasi do I need to convince my family for my network marketing business, alright? Pero discuss ko yun doon sa exclusive community. Pagkatapos ito, mag-live ako doon sa loob, okay? Saan pwede mag-enroll? Rembert, meron ako ditong link. Check mo dyan sa link I have there in my page. Meron din dito sa may comment section. Nandito dito rin yan, okay? Sana Poach, ma-meet ka namin in person. Oh, yeah. Okay. Guys, nasa Iloilo kasi ako. Sinong may mga taga-Iloilo? Okay. I can meet you, no? Kung student kita, pwede kitang ma-meet in person. Pero I will be in Manila libre ako ng March 14 ng after March 15 free ako. Okay, maybe Makati kasi nandun ako somewhere. Makati ako magsi-stay. So, sino mga Ma'am Rio, taga saan ka ba, ma'am? Ano ka ba? Makati, Manila ba, Makati? Yan. So, pwede naman tayo mag-meet. We can have meet up, no? So, yun ang pinaplano ko, magpo-post ako kung sino mga basta kaya ng schedule ko. And then 16 ng umaga, I think available ko, and then 17. Okay, hanggang 17. QC ka lang, ma'am. O yan, sige, message mo ako, ma'am. Baka pwede tayo mag-meet. No? Coaching tayo ng mabilis lang. Para at least mapag-usapan natin yung mga concerns mo, di ba? Okay, so nandiyan ako, I'll fly sa Manila. Alright, ang online class ba daily gagawin pa paano magtrabaho sa office? Okay, Rembert, siya? These are yung part ng course is recorded siya na modules. So, you can watch it at any time in your convenience. And right, so anytime in your convenience, pwede mo siyang panoorin. So example, kung nag-avail ka ngayon, tapos you watch one module tonight, tapos next time na naman, hanggang matapos mo siya lahat. Ang laman niya, kung di ako magkakamali, kasi ang dami ko nang dinagdag eh. May 10 ata ako na core module to help you with your recruiting problems. 10 bonuses that help you in social media branding and creating a customer-based na and then meron ako right now na 16 plus na mga videos, supplementary trainings yon. No, of all. Alright? So anyway. Yes, sige ma'am. Usap tayo. Alright? So yun na naman guys. If you find value into this, no, click yung heart. Tag nyo yung mga ka-network marketer nyo dito, no, if you find this valuable. You guys are all amazing. See you again in the next video. Bye-bye.